Actually, I have forgotten my French and Arabic. I was studying those two subjects in the second grade, and right now I'm in fifth grade, so it's been a lot of years. So basically, Filo brought me up to speed with my French and Arabic. Hi, my name is Melvin Joshi. I study in the fifth grade in our own English high school, boys. My father advised me to take tuition classes, so I started taking online classes with Filo. When I started my first class with Filo, it was really good. It was going well. The teachers gave me the answers to everything. The teachers on Filo, they have listened to me. They gave me the attention and they helped me with my studies.
What does HR mean?
I have actually improved a lot with my studies. In Arabic and French, I'm able to recite the alphabets in Arabic and say a few sentences in French. What I like about Filo is that it's simple. It helps me do my studies. It helps me learn more.